Yeah, it's a lovely road, lovely day for riding. I did about 275 k's, filled up with 15 litres, so I've just been labouring to do some mental maths. So I'm figuring it's 18-19 k's a litre for the tech heads. So if I go slightly conservative on 18 times a 20 litre tank, I think it's 20 or 21, but let's say 20 litre tank, that should give me a range of 360, which means I should hit reserve at about 320. So that would be a bit of a test, but it kind of means I shouldn't go for more than a 300k range. That's what I should be looking at, to say, right, where's the next fill up? Work on about 300 k's for the next fill, because I didn't buy extra fuel tank. I was humming and eyeing in Joburg, and I thought, well, when I get to Gabs I can see more that top strip on Caprivi around down to Windhoek, where there might be a bit of a stretch for fuel, but that I can work out in Gabs or Francistown and buy something. See you guys later.